on a bus. Today we are going on a tour of Krka National Park. There are a few activities that we are going to do, like, for instance, a boat ride on the river Krka. Once you arrive in a little village of Skradin, we are going to get a wine tasting and a cheese eating, and maybe a little swim in the sea. We are about to arrive to the last one. From here we're going to have a walk in the park for about an hour, and we will go and see the waterfalls. You can already see them from here, but we're going to be close to them.
And that's how they would have food and water at the same place. Close to the mills behind them, like behind that little village, there are paths that are looking like that are going all the way around the biggest waterfall, taking you back here.
Here we go. We are in Krka National Park. The waterfall is just behind us, but we are going to a place where we can see it better. We decided to go on our own for about an hour, but you have the option to go for a walk with the tour guide. And well, basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna climb the stairs up 150 stairs to go and see a village where there is also a mill. And obviously, yes. And obviously we are going to enjoy the waterfall and the national park. So.
Do you think they do kayaks up there?
I don't think they do. But they do also some activities like rafting here in Croatia. I think it's great for people that love nature and being outdoors, definitely.
This is a hydroelectric power station built in 1895. Gonna get wet shoes. I don't wanna.
the orange.
Orange?
Can be
Oh,
orange.
let's try this one too.
And the bark organized mix.
Oh, it's so good. I'm undecisive. Look how amazing things you have.
Wine rosé, the last red one plavina, and for the end just a little bit dessert wine. Today you will starting with maraština. Maraština is the wine. But plavina is very elegant wine. Alcohol is 12.8. It is very similar like a Pinot Noir. Drink it just a little bit cool at maybe 10.
Google
Translate.
Go to that, yeah.
Tivoli.
Givoli.
We just finished the wine tasting with some cheese and bread. It was nice to socialize with other people. The one was actually really good. I really like the dessert one. I am not a wine drinker, I'm not a drinker at all, but it was nice to do this tour because of all the activities that are included in the tour itself. In fact, now we are back in Skradin, which is a really small town. It's pretty cute with lots of really good restaurants, but instead of eating, we are actually going to the beach and we're going to swim in the river Krka. So I'm gonna see James in a minute and we go to the beach. I got it wrong. We are in the beach, at the beach, and it looks amazing. Honestly, maybe this is the best beach ever. Oh, it's so good.
Very good. Made of
It's
gravel.
really good. I mean, it's so clean. The water is so clean. There is gravel though, I think, We think it's quite artificial, the girl, like they put it. We now finished the tour and we can also swap this wristband for a souvenir. That's cute.